far ang narating na po natin.
Yes po.
So, ipasok mo doon, may teaching, halimbawa, tapos na ako doon sa aking teaching background or profile. As a teacher, I am anchoring my I anchored my teaching philosophy on John Dewey's Learning by Doing, in which the students are being encouraged to interact with each other in the classroom and explore themselves and give value to oneself. Mga ganon.
Sige po.
And I see myself as someone who possess the following potentials, like I have a strong determination in teaching, in the teaching and learning process.
Doc, nawala po kayo.
Hello po?
Hello?
Hello?
Opo.
Yun naman na. So, yun ang sa ating significant teaching experience.
Yes po.
Pagkatapos noon, part 4, magsalita ka lang yung mga ancillary services, but not much. Sasabihin mo, aside from it being a full-time classroom teacher, I had a special assignment like designated as a coordinator in research, grade level coordinator. And for my milestone of achievements, I was been given recognition and awards in the Department of Education as the most outstanding teacher, as outstanding researcher. And that ends about my self-introduction. Concise siya na very comprehensive na ibibigay mo.
Sige po.
Basta yun ang order. Yun ang order. Okay, yung other questions, ma'am, hindi ako magbibigay pa nun. Because huwag mong i-send sa akin. Kasi makikinig ako sa'yo.
Sige po.
You keep all your answers with you. Then, 28 man yung interview mo, right?
Yes.
Pero kailangan ko na yan, if you can craft it tonight, ansiran lahat kasi para mataas ang preparation natin, para makita ko talaga ano yung pwede natin yung comprehension mo with the questions.
Sige
para
po.
Masanay mo na siya.
Sige, Doc. Ida-draft ko na lang.
So, kailan mo ba makaya?
Doc?
Kailan po makaya na ready na po na kahit nababasahin mo, walang problema. Kasi kailan kita pwedeng mapakinggan? Ano?
Wait lang po. 30 na po ngayon. 14, 15.
Ano ngayon is 12.
12.
Kailan kita pwedeng mapakinggan?
16 po. Friday.
16. Sige, go. 16. First meet up natin yan. Ikaw na ang mag-ring sa akin, ma'am. What time po?
Wait lang. Sa umaga po, pwede po mga 8 o'clock.
Sige, ma'am. Sige. Okay, ma'am.
Sige,
16.
Doc.
Ikaw na po ang mag-call sa akin po.
Sige po.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay.
Bye po. God bless po.